ngatho cia mwanya nĩ ũndũ wa gũthiĩ na mbere gũikarania na ithuĩ na thĩinĩ wa ndagĩka 30 iria ciũkĩte tũkorwo tũrũgamĩrĩirwo nĩ kambuni ĩtagwo Amara Realty. Ngogeria kũhũthĩra rũrĩmĩ rwakwa wega tondũ ngereke ngwĩre haha nĩ maũndũ manene mũno tũharĩrĩirie na andũ aya Amara, na ũmenye mwĩroreri tukukwenderia nyumba na tukwenderia mugunda no ti ni ngukorwo ngiendia ni rakwa ni kuria ciuria koguo ikorwo na kiuria kana woni ndumira namba itu SMS ni 2288 no ame ukorwo ku thini wa studio mekorwo maikuhe na bio ya thimu nigetha maundu maria tutangita kwaririria haha thini wa studio ukorwo kimoria kiuria reke jambe ndimanyite ogena ngwambiria na manager wa wonjoria kana sales manager wa kambuni netako Mr Clean. Mr Clean uhoro waku
kaga muno
uhoro waku ndagwita Mr Clean hititie
Mr Clean neo the right name
Mr Clean kuga Mr Gothera
yes
uhana atia
na oru muno yerete muno gukoro haha
yes
no gutunyitete ogeni ngakena muno
witagwo muci wa tuginota sana ni twendete ageni na mukira tugakena hindi amwitikirite ona kuigithia na ithuĩ wita broker getha tukumenye wega
riu ni njitagwo Kelvin Gothera no andu angi manjitaga ta Mr Clean na ngoragwo sales manager kuria Amara Realty na ngenete muno muno niguo ngurehere the investments ira twinacio in the company.
Haya nigo ndore wika mwina Jennifer ni CEO Madam CEO kuhana atia uhoro waku
ndi mwega muno na ningenete gukorwo ndi haha ni njukite ringi na ni ndirakena gukorwo ndi haha muthenya wa umuthi.
Karibuni sana.
Asante sana.
Amara nike mwatukeria
reke njuge Amara ri twitaga tugaga Amara for your peace of mind koguo angikorwo he kindu tugukiritie ni thayo
peace of mind
yes
ndege twambiririe na riri na kwamba kumenya Amara kwanza ri mukoragwo ku
tukoragwo hare Jewel Complex Jewel Complex right next to TRM hare Roysambu roundabout
woka gorofa yake we will be happy to serve you.
Jewel Complex ni haha Roysambu
Roysambu ho wetagwo hena TRM Thika Road Mall at the Roysambu roundabout how woka gorofa yake ri ndugutwaga ona ungiuria mundu uria wi haria kianda Amara iko egukurehegira murango-ini
this opposite TRM na bado hakwenda kanitha wa Bishop Moi.
Yes
ino itagwo Jewel.
Yes
karibuni sana.
Asante sana.
Ndendo tuhe namba yaku ya thimu nigetha mundu uria ngenda kwaranagiria na andu aku aria mekuria Studio B nigetha tuka tugethi na mbere.
Of course no ginya riu namba itu ngenda gutukinyira muthenya wa umuthi ni 0721 260000 kana njokere na gikuyu
no ngwenda githungu ni mekunyita ru ni majikire ndoko bata ni umiga kahora ni mekunyita
0721 26
urona ngandika niguo mandikaga 0721 260000 aya ni hutha
yes
reke nyambe njuke kwi Madam CEO. Madam CEO of course uyoka hana nginya ukorwo he kindu woka nakio niki woka nakio
ni twoka na indo nyingi na ni twoka na migunda mwena ore wa Ruiru East tugwitaga Mwalimu Farm na ni nyendaga kwira andu uhoro wa mieneyo history ya mugunda ucio wa Mwalimu Farm ri ni ati block iyo yothe ya Kahawa Sukari Mebli na Mwalimu Farm ya rimwe ikigayanio koguo at least mundu erwo guore ni arona general area
ati yari
Kahawa Sukari Membli na Mwalimu Farm wari mugunda umwe kuga ni mugunda umwe ni kuga ni wanyitanite ugicoka riu ukigayanwo koguo riu Mwalimu Farm ri tukoragwo twi murimo wa tuge mwena wa Kamakis wijira ya Kamakis ya Eastern Bypass ukinyeta ndo mugunda wa Kenyatta Northland City mwena wa Orio na mwena wa Mutho we mwena wa Mutho ungikoroka na Northland City uthie nginyagia rowe ukira rowe ni woka Mwalimu Farm Ruiru East
ati ni ugukinya haria kona
riu hau kona ikurukirira kona uthie nginyagia rowe wakira rowe riu ndo akingira Ruiru East Mwalimu Farm
riu njerite kona riu ndageria ko no nginya ndetiko kugendiga niko rukona niko mureta Mwalimu Farm
niko tureta
kuhana ta mundu gwitwo guthera tatutware tatuhurire mbica yaku ya maitho na uria wonete na uria kuhana tatucorere mbica uria
riu ona ire uria ngiuga Ruiru East Mwalimu Farm is the next Kamakis. Todo Kamakis ore hana thaisi, that is what we were waiting to happen in that area. Todo tuena kidu ta Greater Eastern Bypass, the proposed Greater Eastern Bypass, Northland City no CEO she has mentioned it. Kogo ni kugat this area ne hadu hena a lot of potential. Na no doaro wero uwe, the past few years niho hatarare na jira ya kugera kuigira ku kana jira sirare ho no utirare na that accessibility no re kuna accessibility ugakora adoni market kuna a lot of businesses in that booming in that area na the level ya career ya interest rates in terms of runi degerera besa ure sira akura it is very fast kogo ne hado ini ogiojoria radra hona ni hado okorodre na kedo nurehiteria that is all I can say.
Migode no igana atia na tiri waku hana atia na neighborhood yako ihana atia?
Ru tiri waku ikinyabira na tiri waku ni korogo mixture. Kwina area ena black cotton mixed with loam na kwina kodo kogene red cotton. I mean red soil. So depending na hari oreda nitugo gufasirira wega. So na area yo ru muigana wa keria wa mugodo re twedia kwina 50 by 100 primarily itho twedagia 100 by 100 ona siyo nego kwera ha that we sell what we would want for ourselves kogo tukora twedete space muno so but due to clients no menyo no ginyo thikiririe client akogare uwe dreda kedo ta 50 by 100 and we have provided that and then kyotora akureherero ha Victory Gardens phase 4 yes
haya tajira madam CEO mugodo urawedia te waru farm na wajira ni 50 by 100
ni 50 by 100 na rekenya bejuge kaudu tondu ni wega gwitambura tondu tokwendia twendagia ni jugaga ati ithu twathie handu tuthia tugacenjia itura taru ria twathire Mwalimu Farm twathire tugicenjia kundu ku ungithie ku andu ni megukwira Mwalimu Farm is synonymous with Amara Realty tondu tuthia tugakira andu gate njega muno tukamagrade fara wega muno tukairiga wega muno na tutiendagia kindu gitari gitu. That is point number 1. Na ria twambiriirie Amara Realty twigira gutire kindu tukendia gitari kia Amara Realty na nikio tuthiete tugitheremaga na tugakinyagia hau turi na oria Kevin auga Mr Clean ni ati ithu twendagiria andu muno twendagia kindu kinene 100 by 100 no kuri andu matwirire atiriri Ruiru East no twende kwigwatira kanyamu kuma kwi Amara Realty ke mutangi gitutiniria 50 by 100 kogo endo no project area emwe they were about almost 20 projects tureka ya 50 by 100
na mukedia atia
tukedia okoro uragora cash the 895,000 nation inclusive of legal costs and inclusive of title utire kindu kingi tugugwitia okoro uragora na installments ukuriha 965 na tugukuhe mieri 6
tarekendiro re mugodo godu goko nikuo
ni koko yes
tatutaririe mundu gwitwo guthera tatutware guthera haha
ro ngiona hau uguo hena value addition value for your money hena graded roads hena gate ya kifahari hena electric fence na hena the reason why we do this ni tuge we want to provide you with security na identity important, very important to us todo ado egeni megukwenderia handu wero and then years down the line urathigina ndungihota gwe trace ni ha riu tweko twekira the gates na twa grade fara na nitwakuhe accessibility identity gate yo ungithiko Ruiru East Mwalimu Farm gutire gate ingi ungiona teno so wana eno ukamenya haria ni ha Amara you are able to identify na wakinya riu hau no ni heirie na electric fence ni ukomenya beacons yaku sie safe na nitukoragwo na mundu on site such that mundu oka mugeni na tutikoi ni akuhura thimu orie hena mundu haha arajira ona akahura office tuga confirm kogo security identity is very paramount ni tondu andu ingi twendageria ni andu maroga atiriri ndiraigithia niguo secure my future. Secure your future no menya ndungithigariria uguo if you put money todo ne ti siringi igere isi ne besa mundu arutete wira na ne wira muritu kogo no ginya to make sure besa ciake ci secure nikyo twikaga uguo. Yes.
Tajiratiriri, what was the thinking now what is the logic behind the array ya Wajira Mwalimu Farm ni kodo rukora take the next Kamakis na Wajira tene mwali na kuwa tari unigire mwametua AV other than costing re mukorogo mugishirira andora modaga gusetuka na andora modaga mundu akigura mugondo cio mukorogo mukimushiriria gwika atia gusetuka na what okay
tukoragwo tugiciria maundu meri number 1 ni gusettle na nikyo twikiraga 100 by 100 kana niwe muguri wa mbere urasettle kana ni ukawendie thutha-ini nigetha mundu ungi oke aikare hau nituroraga wari ucio tukona ri waka muciri ndukauga ni hakundera wambiririe gucaria kundu kungi.
Correct.
That is one of the reason. No ru 50 by 100 ici turatinirie ri ni andu maraugaga atiriri Jane turenda kuigithia na inyui no re waiga quarter ni 2 plots cia 50 by 100.
Correct.
Kyo tage tutiniria ithue aremia nini nigetha tuhote gwika atia ona ithu kwigwatira kindu nikyo twekire project ungirora project ile cio the twikite gutire ya 50 by 100 ino niyo ya mbere
udagicoka ndero atire Mr Clean.
Yes.
Inyu to migunda mwendagia hena indo ingi mwendagia niki kingi mwekaga
Riu twina project and this is the newest
kid on the block.
Twina the Oint Country Homes.
Oint.
The Oint. The oint. It means anointed.
Oint from the word anointed.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. So the Oint Country Homes, simwe na Wagataga. Na Gataga tukiwa Gataga ni haria Blue Post Hotel. You the 8 kilometers na gasaraka ugaga Tora Road.
Oh, ndio na Torathi na Gataga.
8 kilometers ni gukinya project iyo. Na ni kindu githaka muno. The area itself is serene. Turakuhe convenience todo nduri kunene muno na town. No bado we had tugaga away from the hustle and bustle.
Na githungu mwena.
Kogo ni hadu waikaro na wahuhia riera riu ukaigua I am at peace. And that is what we endeavor to provide to you as Amara Realty. Peace of mind.
Ru nike mwakete ni nyumba. Oint Country Homes. Na yetu country nike by the way kakothaka giro nyimbo cia country. Ndio amodo yiri.
Asa no menya ni uthuthuria uria twekite in the research tukona atiriri. People want something that is cozy for them na riu oga ohoro wa Oint Country Homes iyo country igakuhe
Otira toka nyumba ya mutarado ugakorwo na riko gatagati metha-ini gatagati na bedroom igire gatagati na kariko tigwera
design ino kwanza ona design ino ekegwire ndungimiona Kenya turu kuguru twina 2 types of villas na villa leo ni ikarire 100 by 100
okay
ina 4 bedrooms na ina DSQ ina kitchen igire ni odo wa I give this example every time. My mom na nejo ni aradora had TV. Muranga
hadu hetagwatia.
Etago Kahuro. Yes.
Nikuria ugithie wahituka haria thibitari wetagwo Murirajas hau area.
Dokuhituka Murirajas.
Soka na thutha.
Before.
Yes.
My mom is very particular on thani siageni. They are treasured. Yeah. We're giving you 2 kitchens. Na all these people that interfering with your house. Dreda mahutia rikori ya the main kitchen. Nikiwena spice kitchen how kado. Ina 2 lounging areas. Ina terrace.
Terrace nedo. Nedo amodo taranyita.
Design in order to get nayo. No iwa ikarira 100 by 100. Na the plinth area ya nyumba yenyewe ni 300 square meters. Kwa ni nyumba nene muno. Na tutirenda ute space yaku. Nikyo hari iguru we twakite ta flat roof. Alafu tugekera kanyeki hau.
Kole iguru?
Eni. Kogo no wige your guests there. Rede utoginyo wige tents in your yard. So you pitch them up there, maka enjoy the view. No weke ka barbecue on Saturday. Yes, enjoy. Yes, so that is the terrace.
Iyo ni jobera muleta villa.
That is the villa.
Haya, na wajira wenege, wajira to villa.
To villa. Na rekenye begwete tondu nyumba ici when I sat down nigetha njuke na design,
correct,
it took me over a year to come up with the design of these homes. Nikio shiraturaiga, they are just not homes. They are extraordinary homes. Tondu nie ni ndathire US na ngithiururuka matura ma US, ngithie ko visit mishie meingi nigetha njie ideas. Koguo ideas iria twikirete on the kiria nyumba-ini no ya the Oint Country Homes, we have borrowed kuma
mabũrũri matiganĩte. Na rĩu rĩ ĩno ya Oint ĩna nginya gateraci harĩa igũrũ nginya kũndũ ũraigua ta wĩ mũkawa igũrũ rĩ ĩrakinyia kĩ?
Rĩu ĩyo nĩ ya 24.8. And then how uria tureka ni ati urariha deposit ya 4.65. And then ege icio ingi
4.65.
The balance is in the construction period ya 18 months. Yes.
Kogo ni off plan na jira
ni off plan. Kogo nikyo turera ando this stage because the interior mundu ni arenda interior different. Na nikyo turenda tondu andu aingi maguraga nyumba complete alafu magathi gutharia na gutumira mbeca nyingi muno go change.
Okay.
So what we are doing is turakuhe opportunity ya tugiaka nawe ugoka ugatwira input yaku niguo by the time turakuhe to your handing over ni kiria wiriragiria na ngoro yaku irenda.
Take goria tere bwana Madam CEO. Of course ugikorora made 24 na ni off plan ire. It means yari kega korwo more expensive.
Tere uri gwenda ucere matura ma area yo. Tugire this is off Blue Post. Na ne thika. So this is a muthaiga of thika. Ugicera matura ma area yo ri uthie thika greens ri. Uthie mishiria e hau wori. Ndugiona muci wa beiteo at the moment. Todo turagwakira muci ucio on 100
by 100.
Eyo ni quarter acre. At only 24.8. Nikuga by the time shirareka shigakorwo shi million 30 kindu.
Koguo mundu angimioya tha ici amioye ri ona rege gugaikara amiendie ni kamuhe million 10
muno
at most.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Haya, no mundu retangeta kugura ya million 24 ri kwina ndungi.
Yes, mundu retangehota ri tondu ni ndakiuririo kiuria kiuri twambiririe ni cia 24.8 no ni tworirio ni andu no mutwethere tondu riu andu aingi ni maugaga atiriri nie ndi ciana ciakwa ni nene ndirenda mucii wakwa na muthuri wakwa
regi kanitha
kana mutumia na muthu kanyamu kanini. So we have a 3-bedroom condo kana bungalow.
Ereto condo.
Yes.
Dona masho next time muleta villa.
Yes.
Naru condo ni ereto bungalow
itu.
Yes.
Nikyo muleto realty.
These are not just the ordinary homes uthiaga ugakora. Tado no na riu kaigere ungigera mucire uigeraga uigirete sitting room. We have nitweheretie uguo uraigera ukamba ukaigera handu hega ndugacoka riu ugathie sitting room ugathie riko kana kuria kungi guothe urathie. Koguo na bungalow kana condo ici tuthondekete ri ni cia 3 bedrooms all en suite. Na ina DSQ.
Koguo ino tire mundu athia kioro kianja
asa ina DSQ na ina kioro kingi. Koguo ni turaiga riu nyumba yo ri ina cioro icio
ithano na ni 3 bedroom na ni koguo iguru ni kurathai kana flat kana hidden roof
ona yo no flat na ina terrace
koguo andu no baikare hari iguru
riu kweje riu terrace ri that is the epitome of these homes.
Wow.
Tondu riu hau uguo ni handu urithiaga ugakorwo na pagola yaku ukaiga tuti twaku ugetarata mukahihia kanyama. I mean it is now that's a dwelling place.
Wajakira 50 by 100 ukonyenderia atia?
Gukwenderia 13.75.
Yogejakira 100 by 100 nigetha ngikona space.
Gukuhe the same house and 16.75.
Na wajira all in suit. With
a DSQ.
Ni handu haraihu ni kuma tajira kuma thika ni haigana atia?
Kuma Blue Post ri tondu andu ni maki-identify ga muka wore witagwo Blue Post hau uguo Waterfalls ni ri guthie nginyagia haria mugunda witu uri haria turaka ri ni 7.5 kilometers.
Haya kuma hau ramiere to ramio ndigithite na nginya muico ri ni haria project ire ni gutonya muno.
Good. Riu woka na fareo ya Gatangari iyo ya Gatangari ugukinya handu hetagwo Ola petrol station. Na about 5 kilometers from Blue Post. Wakinya hau Ola re detour to the left
umete na Thika ni to the left
to the left no guthie kilomita 2.5
kare hare demu
wahituka kademu
yo tuka kademu ndigari gwika estimation yakwa
na kadewe batora bacio
de tikondo ko ngikonge ndiga makiria kora twara
in fact na ti wahituka tondu hare tugeraga ri tuge ni taho kiambiriria kia damu iyo
yes
correct
ni tondu ndagari gwika mathabu makwa ndona niki landmark hau
ndio
mundu angenda guthie tanjira uria mundu angithie kana mundu angikuhuria thimu atia nigetha athia kona nyumba icio
it is very easy ungihura na iyo namba twakuhe 0721260000 ithu turatwara mundu any day na okorwo ndurenda maybe urenda gwitwara we have the pin to help pin and then we liaise with the people areme ground nigo wakinya kuwe nigo kora site agent na nigo hota gutariria about all these homes nigo uone kiria urenda
kiuria site house ni ndeku nigetha mundu okionere ngirika ihane kana murajaraniria nake mundu agathio kimunagia the process.
The site house is in constructions right now no ni ratengerio gukira isingi no onore urariha mundu uri urariha within 2 days nyumba yake kabia because since to break ground dufatero ukeone it's less than 40 days na haria tukinyete thaisi hey my goodness
na wajira atiriri du ha gwakirwo ri gucianga goka ni kugerageria mundu maundu maritu muno nikio andu ngianga marenda nyumba njake
tondu ti andu othe mena expertise ya gwaka ti andu othe maramenya kiria magirirwo ni gukorwo ona magiaka na ti andu othe mahota ku deal na mafundi nikio riu wendaga riu andu ta ithwe nigetha tugaguteithia hau uguo tangihota na riu undu ri ingenda ku mention ni ati mugunda uyu turaka nyumba ici again wiritwa-ini ritu tondu riu hau andu ni hacangaga andu riria muraka na bado mutiri murakoya mugunda ucio fully nikoragwo a challenge tondu in future you might have issues mugunda ni witu we have all approvals nyumba twambiririe on the 26th of June we broke ground on 21st started on the 26th na umuthi the construction that is ongoing is mind blowing
ndaroni mugaije ni mundu wi US witagwo Jeremy Damaris
ndagiri
andu acio na ngucia ni customer anyu kuringana na ndona agwetari ndurigagwo ni mundu wanaigirira ku
niguo ni customer in fact igiuga he's our brand ambassador but besides that he's our biggest client tondu we nionaga what we sell na reke ngwire aigithagia in almost all the projects where we are.
Reke ndimuria atiri niki kimo driver what drives you mwe Amara Realty?
Amara Realty re kirege to driver ni vision area me as a CEO ngoragwo nayo na nikio neki ndakorirwo nakio de munini de wa miaka 20s na ni ndaugaga ndarikia wera tondu ni ndagikoragwo de accountant ni ndaugaga ni ngaingira wira-ini wa real estate na ndandikaga o mwaka ngedeka more than 10 years na kioneki kiu gikinyanira na riu ni ndaingirire wira-ini uyu tondu ni ndendaga kurehe value na kurehe a change into this market tondu number one for us we are not fighting to grow very fast, we are growing organically ni kuga ati turakura you know kahora but sure tondu tutika kwendiria kindu gitari gitu ni kuga ati twamba kuigirira mbeca citu nigetha tukuigirire so integrity for us is very key. Number 2 tutingitwara mundu kundu nie itangigura angikorwo ni ndingigura kindu kuna ndingigutwara koguo nda hau ri nituheaga andu projects cina very high value as Amara Realty.
Mundu gutwo bana Mr Clean ndenda tucokie kuria tuguthiite Ruiru East ututaririe wega uhoro wa mugunda ucio wega ndu wa mundu hiete kunyita nigetha athererwo wega mugunda ucio wiha uhana atia na yani to explain tutware kuo ringi
Ruiru East first of all tumenya haria kuri it is behind Kamakis tondu igwire yari block imwe Membli Kamakis and Ruiru East the difference ni Rui all right riu wakinya hau Mwalimu Farm mugunda witu kuma haria the beginning of Kiambu it is hardly 7 kilometers ukinye gina mugunda-ini ucio na mugunda ucio ni mugunda wina value additions tororo na how TV ni yaku tuna graded roads twina electric fence, twina modern gates. Again, njugire ni undu wa identity. Na tutinitie mugunda ucio igana wa 50 by 100. No ngenda kwigwatira kindu hau, it is very easy. Okoroni cash ni 895,000, of which tuheaga mundu mweri kuriha cash.
Yes.
And then after okororenda kahinda tugukuhe mieri 6 at a price of 965, ugekira deposit ya 300, alafu icio ingi within that period ya payment.
Koguo agikorwo mundu ekwenda kugura muthiri kahindini ka mweri umwe agikorwo ni gwetereire atanyite tubesa twake tuguma kindu ta mweri 15 oguo. Ario within the range ya cash.
Yeah, cash.
Oh, that's
correct. Very cognizant ya do aria marugaga ati tondu rumwe nitugiaga na andu ngina diaspora makuga ati tutingituma lump sum yo yothe koguo tugutuma kidogo but within 1 month we still consider that as cash.
Na ni mweka ni kujira ati koguo mweri umwe ndirio within the range no mundu atira gondo kuri ho muthi no aikio ninge mutaratara wa
Urio within the range no ndungini atiriri no igwa price ya 6 months ni 965 no he mundu ukaga akauga tukuriha na mieri eri tutigukuriha 965 we will discount that price.
No wacoka wajira atiriri mugunda utaito ni cianyu
Yeshito Amara Realty.
Koguo ingirikia kuriha na ngoro ndarikia kuriha within gene mahinda maria matikaga maku yataitukana.
Ndu tuheanaga thiko 60. No issue ni cia nigetha tuhote ku process, but most of the times ona ugithie on a website page ni ukona uria andu marauga, we produce the titles very quickly. Ona thiko 30 even less. Yes.
Tajira tiriri mundu gwitwo Mr. Clean.
Yes.
Mundu taru ndahura thimu ino wa heta micokere ringiri. What do mujikaga ati what do you do to me as a customer the first time ndahura?
The first time ukuhura thimu yo na ni 0721260000. Ona hura tha ici there's someone from the office who will pick. Oya thimu yo first of all there's salutations and then hena kiuria ta ni utonire hado what was your interest. Ruo uma how we identify interest yaku tugukwira atiriri we are welcoming you for a free site visit. Free site visit tutirihagia. So you come for free site visit neguo othie we onere na maitho maku tondu andu mogaga kuona niko seeing is believing. Yes. So othi we onere we identify the particular piece of plot urenda. Then after that you book to book verbally for 3 days, 3 working days. So if you book verbally, that is a opportunity yaku weka due diligence. So do encourage people to do due diligence.
Ndio dare ya tona 10.
Dare ya tona 10.
Okay.
So weka due diligence. Toka kuheta ito ugathi uka confirm that it is mitaito ni ito. Niguo after that, after the 3 working days, roga tuira, drari ha cash, kana drari ha na installments, then very important, tuga draft out a sales agreement, which is law binding. Lawyer ito agathi through it, na tuere tu encourage aga modu, okoro ni raruta besa over 500,000. Ni kirago tura kuhudhira lawyer, arore that document that it is actually valid. Kogo to encourage modo use your lawyers, ma verify, and then after that, as they say, the rest is history. To only 60 days when ataito yako. But the most important thing, sales agreement. Na tutienda gate, we do everything above board. Todo tare na sales agreement, ni dako he besa siakwa, we no uthie after a while ona gigutwara igoti-ini ukuga wanyendageria ki
hatiri na agreement
agreement
ni your document ira mundu agitwara igoti-ini.
Yes. It's very crucial.
Very crucial.
Ko mundu akigura mugunda no mutare kana ona ni nyumba
ni ungigura kindu gitagwo an asset ona igari have an agreement. Tado the first thing mugitwara na igoti-ini orayo what is a sale agreement? Waga document hiyo my friend, you will lose. It is very crucial.
Ariya mudurada kuigithia munini uhoro wa kuigithia andu ni maretigagira muno kuigithia.
Reke njuge andu matigetigire kuigithia because that is the only way to grow your wealth. Kuigithia. Koguo we munini re number 1 ni ati have a culture of saving. Tadu tufeshe turio savete kana usavete sako kana usavete hadu anari tu ni tu ogioya tadu tu gugwetia deposit ya 350 okorare hana installments agikoro duraekete to savings to akure 350 okurutaku no anyita kogwa hefata gukoro na culture ya go save na after saving they go ku teithia kugania besha ciaku, but for you to grow your wealth you have to invest in an asset.
Thank you muno sikosha kushia mwisho tondu mathaa maitu ni mathiru riu
ingioria ndo maraniria na ithu as Amara Realty agikora he mundu racaria a genuine company ya real estate. Amara Realty araniria na ithu 0721260000 na ni tugutwara wega muno.
Ndungiaga na kigo ukigweta kia mwisho no nginya giture kuria mukoragwo.
Riu tukoragwo hare Jewel Complex. Jewel Complex ni next na TRM Thika Road Mall at the Roysambu roundabout ukegorofa ya keri. Na igiugo twina mega site visit for this particular project right where Victory phase 4 on the 16th next week Friday.
16th Friday no geroka.
Kogo mundu we hau urenda guthi kuona mugondo ucio, this is the high time uhure na beo 0721260000 nigo tukubukire giti tuthie nawe wionere nigo nawe uinyitire kindu Mwalimu Farm.
Thank you muno. Thini wasire tumana mundu gwitwo Kevin Guthera na no mwite Mr Clean ndagwa ndungikorwo muhiteirie na ucio ni sales manager company ya Amara Realty. Nituma na CEO wa company no etagwo Jennifer Yo nake niwe CEO wa company no ya Amara Realty umo memerekia murihire na ni mai kuhe namba cio cia thimu ni getha ukimenyere mungiaraniria nao. Hano twatiriha umemerekia murihire to ndenda gukuya tha ici gutware ginya kure county ya Nyandarua. Chamanie na former CS etagwo Cecily Kariuki tukorwo nake tukirora uhoro wa utongoria wa atumia na ikorwo na kiuria kiothe kigie uhoro wa utongoria wa atumia na maundu mara makiri ku bururi ni ndumira na baita SMS ni 22488 tugucokereria thaka gatari coho.